Hello and welcome to the unboxing and testing video of our full HD video system. Let's start with the unpacking. Inside the box you will find a 7 inches touchscreen with its foot, an HD camera, a remote control and a power cable. To start the device, press the power button on the right side of the device. To display the menu, touch the bottom of the screen. 4 buttons will appear. The first button allows you to adjust the volume. Press the speaker icon on the left side to mute the sound and validate the settings. The second button allows you to select the display mode. The screen allows you to pair up to 3 cameras, swipe left or right to change views. With the Settings button, you will be able to customize the name of the connected cameras, adjust the parking lines, define the camera display settings, and even choose the language. Finally, the last button in the menu allows you to turn off the screen. To activate the zoom function, tap the screen with 2 fingers. A selection frame appears on the screen. You just need to move or resize this frame to select the area you want to zoom in. When the operation is complete, tap the frame to see the zoom in full screen. To exit this zoom, press the screen once to return to the initial view, then press a second time outside the red frame to make it disappear. Finally, the camera has the IP69K protection rating, a viewing angle of 130 degrees, a resolution of 1180p, and a mirror effect.